Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to remove Shopify logo from website. The first thing you need to do once in your Shopify admin page, you are going to select online store. After selecting online store from the left hand menu section, you are going to be led to the themes page and you are going to scroll down, and right beside the theme that you are using, as you can see right here, you are going to see three dots, then customize. You are going to tap on the three dots. Then you are going to select edit languages. After selecting edit languages, you are going to tap on the search bar at the top right here, and you are going to type in power. Then from here you are going to simply scroll down until you see powered by Shopify. And from here you are going to tap in this box and you simply want to put a space. Then you are going to tap on save in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.